Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply enable or disable cliff detection on a DJI ROMO. Cliff detection is a mode that lets you simply lets your robot detect cliffs and it won't cross that, but of course it makes the cleaning efficiency a little bit lower because the robot is slower then, so it doesn't fall down, so it has time to detect a cliff. And it is recommended to disable that in single-story houses or flats because it's not really something that, if it's not something that you need because you don't have any cliffs, then it's worth just disabling it, right? So let's go to the settings, go to general settings, and you can disable it or enable it. And when it's disabled, the obstacle crossing ability of the robot will be improved, but of course you need to have that enabled if your robot has an option to, like, for example, get on the stairs, right? So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.